Good afternoon. Happy New Year. Coming to you live from Hard Rock Stadium in Florida. The long and winding road leads us here to the doorstep of the postseason. One win, a little bit of help away from ending 17 seasons of misery.
Break that drum! Play your ass off for 60 minutes and come out here with that W. Dominate on three. 1, 2, 3.
First down at the Dolphins 26. Drought, play action. Now walks it into the end zone, got a man wide open. Touchdown! Tyrod Taylor to Nick O'Leary, the Bills are on the board.
And his grandfather, Jack Nicklaus, in attendance today. High fives.
Good job. Keep fighting. Good job, keep fighting.
That's how you run offense. That's how you run offense.
Number 95 reports as an eligible receiver.
First and goal from the one. They give it to Kyle Williams. Goes into the end zone. Touchdown! Kyle Williams, touchdown! He lined up at the fullback spot and rumbled into the end zone. Kyle Williams scores a touchdown, and everybody falls flat on their back. The bench is surrounding Kyle Williams. The Buffalo fans in attendance are going crazy.
All week. Hey, it was even a secret from y'all. Wow. Hey, you got out there so smooth. I didn't even know. You come up with that celebration, man.
I told him on the field.
You say you gotta fall down when you throw the ball up? Yeah. Just keep playing. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. Keep playing.
22-9, the Bills on top of Miami with 2 minutes left to play here in this fourth quarter. Hand it to Perry, up the middle. No, it fails, keeps it, just walks into the end zone.
All right, so we kick the extra point. Little onside kick coming.
Miami, they've recovered 3 onside kicks this season.
Oh.
Now look at this. They need to reverse it 2 or 3 times. And
again,
comes out. Dolphins got it.
A little under 2 minutes left for a chance to win this game.
Some point. Defense got to make them quit. Some point. Some point you make up your minds and make them quit.
56 seconds left to play. Dolphins with the football. 2nd and 9 at the Buffalo 48-yard line.
Let's go, D!
The snap to Fails. Fires a rocket downfield. It is intercepted. Picked off by Jordan Poyer at the 28-yard line. That should do it here. Jordan Poyer makes a huge interception for the Bills, and he is showing the ball to all those Bills fans down there along the sidelines. The Bills survive a late rush by the Dolphins, and their fate is on the line at M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore now.
Great win, man. Time to see what happened around the league now. We're trying to get in these playoffs. You know what I mean? We'll see what happens.
Good job, man. Proud of you, buddy. Appreciate it. Go stand tall. Good job, man.
And of course, Bills fans now rooting for the Cincinnati Bengals.
Get the game on the TV in here.
Buffalo Bills have just sealed the win in South Florida, so it is up to the Ravens now. The Ravens in front, 27-24. Dalton takes the snap, throws it complete midfield to Tyler Kroft after a short gain, looking at a 4th down and 12. Season on the line, playoffs at stake on 4th down and 12. Andy Dalton takes the snap, steps up, fires down the middle, complete at the 15, 10, 5, touchdown, Cincinnati.
Silence in Baltimore, Panamanium in Buffalo. The longest drought in the 4 major sports of not making the playoffs is over. The Buffalo Bills are going to the playoffs.
I'm so happy for everyone in this locker room, in particular the Williams family. On Kyle, bring it down on Kyle.
Hey, man. Not us, right? Not us.
Yeah, not
us.
Let's tank it, man. Let's just be done with it.
They don't know anything about heart. They don't know anything about work. Huh? That's who we are. That's who we love. These boys are going to enjoy it with their dads. They knew what was coming. They wanted to come celebrate with us. Hey, man, Coach and I talked about this a couple weeks ago. This is a start. This is not a finish. This is a start. All right? Let's stay on it. Let's stay on our standard every day, and let's go make some noise now. Let's go. Bills on 3. 1, 2, 3, Bills.